Copyright 2023 Andrew D. Chapman. All rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced, distributed, or transmitted in any form or by any means including photocopying, recording, or other electronic or mechanical methods without the prior written permission of the author, except in the case of brief quotations embodied in critical reviews and certain other non-commercial uses permitted by copyright law. For permission requests, write to the author at the address below. Andrew D. Chapman. P.O. Box 1072. Nederland, Colorado 80466. Autodidacts Toolkit at gmail.com. This book is typeset in Avenir typeface. Cover design by Andrew D. Chapman. Contents. Introduction. Chapter 1. Introduction to Neural Networks. Chapter 2. Deep Learning Essentials. Chapter 3. Convolutional Neural Networks, CNNs. Chapter 4. Recurrent Neural Networks, RNNs, and Variants. Chapter 5. Unsupervised Learning with Neural Networks. Chapter 6. Advanced Topics in Neural Networks. Chapter 7. Specialized Neural Network Models. Chapter 8. Neural Network Optimization and Efficiency. Chapter 9. Neural Networks in Practice. Chapter 10. Emerging Trends and Future Directions. Conclusion. Introduction. In the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence, neural networks stand as a cornerstone, revolutionizing how machines learn and interact with the world. Neural Networks, a comprehensive guide, is an essential read for anyone seeking to delve deep into this transformative technology. This book navigates through the intricate landscape of neural networks, offering readers a thorough understanding of their history, fundamental concepts, and the myriad of applications that have reshaped industries. Each chapter is meticulously crafted to guide both beginners and seasoned professionals through the various aspects of neural network technologies. Chapter 1. Introduction to Neural Networks sets the stage, providing a historical context and foundational knowledge. Here, the reader is introduced to basic components like neurons and synapses, network architectures, and the early applications and limitations of neural networks. Chapter 2. Deep Learning Essentials dives into the heart of deep learning, contrasting it with traditional machine learning and exploring key concepts and technologies that have shaped this field, such as convolutional and recurrent neural networks. Chapters 3 and 4 focus on convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs respectively, detailing their architectures, applications, and the latest advancements. Chapter 5. Unsupervised Learning with Neural Networks unveils the world of autoencoders, GANs, and other unsupervised learning methods, revealing their potential and challenges. Chapter 6. Advanced Topics in Neural Networks peeks into the future, discussing cutting-edge topics like neural architecture search, quantum neural networks, and the ethical implications of AI. Chapter 7. Specialized Neural Network Models explores unique models tailored for specific applications, highlighting the versatility and adaptability of neural networks. Chapter 8. Neural Network Optimization and Efficiency offers insights into optimizing neural networks for performance and efficiency, an essential aspect for real-world applications. Chapter 9. Neural Networks in Practice bridges theory and practice, presenting case studies and best practices in neural network implementation. Finally, Chapter 10. Emerging Trends and Future Directions contemplates the future trajectory of neural networks, contemplating their impact across various sectors. Neural Networks, a comprehensive guide, is not just a book, it's a journey through the realm of AI, enlightening readers on the possibilities and potential of neural networks. Whether you are an AI enthusiast, a researcher, or a practitioner, this book is an invaluable resource that will expand your understanding and inspire your work in the field of neural networks.